all doing well, and I hope you all having an awesome day. So quick update here on net gas, coal and crude oil, starting with net gas. So what do we have here? As mentioned in my yesterday's video, now at this point, as you can see, we already have one candle that is closed below, and this is the second candle that is now closing below the zone. And looking at the fact the price will close below this previous low, I'm expecting the price now to push down, and that is likely a change in a trend. So have these zones on your chart at this point. Once this candle is closed, I will only look for pullbacks of green candles, possible retest of this zone above, and then price will likely to push down. I've clearly said that price has now broken below, and now the price can likely to push up and use this level of previous support that has been broken, and that is now acting as a resistance. And now we have a retest of this level followed by this engulfing candle. So we are getting the sell signal. Once we have the sell signal, we are good to take sell trade using 1 ATR for my targets. So at this point, not buying net gas, as looking at the fact the price is below all the EMS, and looking at this bearish engulfer. Once this candle is closed like this, only then we have a sell signal. We already have a sell signal on Owanda. We already have a candlestick pattern on Owanda. As you can see, we already have this candle closed here on the Owanda platform. So at this point, I'm expecting price to even push down and hit this next level of support. Again guys, the target will be 1 ATR. And also I want to mention here, if your analysis differs from my analysis, and if you think that my analysis is opposite from your analysis, please do not take the trades or do not take my words on it. Do not place every single thing just because I have said that. This is the way I take my personal trade. This is how I have backtested net gas and other forex pairs, and this is the way I use for my personal trading. So again, if you think my analysis are going against you, listen to your own analysis. So for net gas, we have new level of support, which is on Owanda 5.486 goes up to 6.00. On capital.com, we have 6.100 goes up to 6.432. So that is it for net gas. Let's move on to gold. Awesome push up out of gold. What do we have? A nice push up from the swing low engulfing candle. I want to see a complete break and close above this high, this wicks as well. Once we have that, we have a possible chance that price will continue to push up at least this minor resistance, which is at 1782. So price has broken above minor resistance as well, and now in the major level of resistance, which is 1798 goes up to 1811. This is the zone from where we will look for an entries on 1 hour and 4 hour time frame. So look for entry reason as engulfers or double top entry pattern. If you get this entry reason on 1 hour, we are good to take short as well. So this is my selling zone. If the zone is broken, only then I will look for buying opportunities. So keep an eye here. Right here, what do we have? As mentioned in my last video, and this is a zone from where I will enter my sell trade only with a good reason to enter as an engulfers or double top. Clearly mentioned with this head and shoulder pattern, with this buy signal, price has now pushed. So at this point, this is the level of resistance, and if, as you can see, we have this candle. Let's see if it is a 382 candle. Yes, it is a 382 candle. That looks sell to me. At this point, we can expect some push down, and the target will be 1 ATR. Again guys, the way I take trades using this 382 candle is always enter a few pips below using the stop order. So if you want to enter in an aggressive way, that will be your entry. But if you want to wait for the good entry, less aggressive entry, wait for green and red candle here and engulfers, an engulfing candle, that will be your sell signal to take your short trade. Targets will be 1 ATR for your trades. So that is it for commodities guys. Any questions, you can always buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.